Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact ING customer service. So firstly you need to open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar, type down ING Bank and enter it. And from here you need to select this ING Global Company website. And once you reach inside this homepage, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom here. And from here you need to select this contact in the bottom. And over here, once you reach here again, you need to scroll a bit down and you can select this customer contacts. And from here, to find the most suitable contact here, you need to visit this ING in your area. And here you need to scroll a bit down again. And over here, you need to select your region, as I'm going to select this Americas, and as I'm going to select this USA Wholesale Banking. And from here, you can also find this 1133 Avenue of the Americas, or you can also find this contact number. You can simply dial this number here. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have a customer number or account information ready for identity verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.